What's up guys? It's Movie Horror here, back for another comedy Blu-ray unboxing. Now this is brand new movie and the third installment in the franchise. This was also released, I believe, back in November or October of 2020. All I know is that this title was released the same day as the Scream Factory Collector's Edition for The Brides of Dracula, and also the Blu-ray and 4K for Mulan. But and it's for Bill and Ted Face the World here on Blu-ray, starring Keanu Reeves and Alex Winter. So there's the front cover, beautiful artwork. Front cover, spine, and back. It says most triumphant. And so if you want to read the special features and what the movie is about, you may feel free to do so. Okay. Okay, so here's the front cover, same artwork as the slip cover. Got your front, spine, and back. And this movie is PG-13. Okay. Digital copy code for Bill and Ted Face the World. And then here's the Blu-ray disc with nice artwork. Okay. So yeah, Bill and Ted fans, that was my quick unboxing of Bill and Ted Face the World here on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you there. Thank you. Notes will leave me in comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite comedy movie and what did you think of Bill and Ted Face the World. Thank you.